We're going to use the slope to find another point of the line. This is where you're going to need your graph paper. So now that we have your graph paper ready, the first thing we're going to do is find the y-intercept. Remember, the y-intercept is the number by itself, or b, and that is positive 2. So I'll just find positive 2 on the graph and plot that point. Shit. The next thing I'm going to do, it says use slope to find another point. Okay, this slope says it's negative 2, and we're going to write it as a fraction, negative 2 over 1, because we need it to say rise over run. So we're actually going to rise negative 2, which means go down, and then run 1. Okay, so when we plot this point, negative 2x plus 2, we're going to have this type of line. And we can also plot more points as well. If you wanted to plot more points, you would just do the opposite slope. So negative 2 over 1, that would just means you go up 2 and to the left 1, so up 2 and to the left 1. And that would give you a point on the other side. That might also be helpful to know as well. And then you just plot your points. Your line will be a lot more beautiful than mine because you can use the straight edge on either the edge of a notebook or a textbook or whatever. Okay, so the y-intercept is